In the previous class, we have discussed user level commands, PWD, which is present working directory. See, PWD, which is going to give the present working directory. And we have discussed how we can able to switch to the admin user sudo -i. So we have to enter the password. We'll be switching to the user. There is a normal user. Presently, we are in Raju user. That moment will be having dollar as here, whereas if you are in admin user, will be having hash. So present working directory, if you see, is a root. Present directory we have as root /root. It is going to be considered as. See, now we have logged in with the name of Raju, and now we are in root user, but still log name if I'm checking here, it is going to give Raju. Who am I if I'm checking here? It is going to give root. So presently we are working with the admin. So who am I if I'm checking? We are getting the log name as Raju, and who am I is root. Now if I'm coming out from the admin user to the Raju user with the exit command. Now if you see here, we are in Raju at Raju -virtualbox. Now we are having here log name as Raju, and who am I also Raju, because who am I which is used to know the current working user. Who am I which is to display the current working user. Log name is going to be display with which name we have logged in. Now, users is a command which is used to know the current login users who are working on server. Current login users who are working on who are working currently with the server, who is in online now. So we have only one user, so it is going to be display that. So if I'm creating multiple users, it is going to be display the all who are working currently in the online. Who are working with the online. So who, if I'm giving also, it is going to give the complete information about the current login users that are currently working on user. Currently working with the server.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Hello, sir.
Who is going to be display what time we have logged in. I mean, the particular user is logged in. That information completely it is going to be displayed. And who are working currently in the currently with the server. Users, which is used to know the current login users who are working on server currently, whereas who is going to be display the same, but it is going to be display the complete information, that is logged in information, including the login time. Including the login time, it is going to be display here. Last, it is going to be display last command, which is used for displaying the login history from first day to today of current month. See, in the current month, from the first day to till today, whenever I have logged in to this particular server, it is going to be display all that information. August 22, around 4 o'clock, 4:1. So then again, August 22, 9:7, that is 21:7 innocence, 9:7 p.m., 9:8 p.m. So then August 25th, 8:36 p.m., 20:36. It is going to be display in hours time. Sorry, 24 hours format. It is going to be display, and how much time we have used, everything it is going to be display here. Everything it will display here. So that is the purpose of using last. See, here we have noted PWD, who are my log name, users, who, last, and uname. Uname, which is used for displaying the current uh, current distribution of Unix OS, Linux. If you want to know the complete information about the Unix operating system, so then uname hyphen a. So Linux is an operating system. The user is Raju hyphen VirtualBox, and the version of VirtualBox is 6. The version of VirtualBox is 6, and we are using Ubuntu, and which is a 64-bit. It is going to be represent the 64-bit GNU Linux, and this is a when we have installed that, everything it is going to be displayed. The complete information about the operating system, it is going to be displayed. Complete information about the operating system, it is going to display. That is uname. If we want to see the kernel name, we are going to be use the uname hyphen s Linux. See, the same we have here to take the node name and kernel release. Uname hyphen n, which is used for taking the node, and kernel release is a kernel release. So this information, how we can able to get man, with the help of man command, we can able to get this. Man is a Linux help command. How we can able to use this man space uname is a command name. So then it is going to be display the complete information about this particular command. Complete information about this particular command. See, uname, which is used for printing the system information, hyphen uname hyphen a. If I'm using, it is going to be print all information. Uh, all information. Hyphen s innocence, just it is going to be display the kernel name. Hyphen n innocence, it is going to be display the node name, and hyphen r innocence when the kernel has been released. Hyphen v innocence, kernel released version, and what is the processor, hardware platform, operating system. So these are also we have here. These are also we have here. See, PIO, MPIO. We'll see uname hyphen m. It is going to be display this bit number uname -p -i uname -o. Sorry, GNU Linux. So like this, we can come to know about the particular command by using the man. It is going to be display the complete information about the particular command. It is going to be display the complete information about the particular command man. Yeah, it helps to get the complete information about the particular command. So the syntax of using this is syntax of man command. Command. All the options and what is the purpose of using that and what are the all options we have that is going to be get. So if we want to come out from the particular page, then we have to press Q. So when we are using man command, it is going to be display the complete information about that particular one. It means like the information about it. If we want to come out from that, we are going to be press the from manual page. Q to quit from manual page. See exit EXIT, which is used to quit from the current session. Previously, when we entered into the admin session, admin user, uh, so after giving exit, we came out from it and we were using this Raju user. So to come out from the particular session, we are using this particular exit command. And if you see here, we have date command. We have date command. Along with the date and time, it is going to be display this information. Along with the date and time, it is going to be display this information. Cal command. Current month calendar, it is going to be displayed here. Current month calendar, it is going to be displayed here. Current month calendar. See, calendar of this particular year, 2023, it is going to be display the complete year. Calendar of 2022, the particular year, everything it is going to be displayed here. Calendar of that particular year. Calendar of 8th month 2022. 8th month of 2022, it is going to be displayed. Calendar of 7th month 1989, it is going to be displayed. Whatever it may be. Calendar of 1988, calendar of 1947, calendar of August 1947. Like this, it is going to be kept. Now, see here, calendar of 0, it is going to give the error message. The year should be from 1 to 9999. 1 to 9999. So in between that only we have to give. Calendar of 1, it is going to be get. Calendar of 99998, it is going to be displayed. Calendar of, it is not in the range of that. It is not in the range what we have. 1 to 9999. See, man of date is a complete information about this date command. say complete information about the date command. We will see about this in the coming sessions clearly or in detail about all these various options we have. We'll use that. We'll use that. Just I'll be coming out from that. So just I'll be clearing the screen. If I'm giving the clear, it's going to be clear the screen. It's going to clear the screen. Now, in the current working directory, in the present working directory, what are the list of files and directories we have? We are having ls. See, in the previous session, we have created some files. We have created some files. These are the files available. These are the files we have. Music, pictures, public, sample, snap, all these will be comes under the directories. All these are the directories. So by default in Ubuntu distribution will be having the directories in blue color. Will be having the directories in blue color. Files in white color. So it may varies based on the flavors or distribution what we are using. What we are using. See, ls is a command which is used for displaying the files and directories available in the current working directory. And if you see ls pipeline symbol more, which is used for displaying all the files line by line. Displaying all the files line by line. So these are some files line by line. So see here, line by line only we are going to be access this. Line by line only we are going to be access this. All the files and directories what we have in the current directory we are going to be access line by line, and to get from that we are going to be already we are outside of it. See here, for clear we can use the shortcut also control plus L. Control plus L is a shortcut for clearing the screen. And now ls is a command. Ls is a command used to list, used to display list of files and directories in the current the present working directory. See, by default in Ubuntu distribution or Ubuntu flavor, directories in blue color, files in white color by default. That is by default. See, that maybe varies. May varies. That may change. Depends on Linux distribution what we are using. Linux flavor we are using. Okay, and now here we have ls-l. We have here ls-l. See, long list ls-l, which is used for displaying the complete information about the directories or files we have. See here, if you see the first letter, it is going to be start with first letter. It is starting with D, which will represent directory. And here this is a size of the file, and when it is created the particular file, that information is going to be displayed, and who created that particular file and what is the size of that file, everything it is going to be displayed here. So that will discuss in detail. See here, ls-l, ls-l, long list of files, long list of files. It will display the details of files and directories. Files and directories. See here, ls pipeline symbol pg, pg. It will display files and directories page wise. ls hyphen more will display files and directories line by line. See, line by line. ls pipeline symbol more, line by line it is going to be displayed. If you see ls pipeline symbol pg, page wise it is going to be displayed. So it is not supporting here. It is not supporting here. See, this command is not supporting here. So ls pg, which is going to be display the page wise commands, all the files and directories, it is going to be displayed page wise. If we found EOF, that is going to be represent end of file, we have reached to the end of the file. We have reached to the end of the file. Next we have ls. These are the list of files and directories. ls hyphen a, which is going to be sorry. ls hyphen a, which is going to be display including hidden files and directories. Including hidden files and directories. See, normally whenever I'm using ls, it is not going to be display this dot bash underscore history, dot bash underscore logout, dot bash rc, dot ls hst. This and all it is not going to be displayed because these are the hidden files and directories we have. These are the hidden files and directories we have. So these are all the hidden files, and this dot local is a hidden directory, dot sash is a hidden directory, and dot config is a hidden directory. So these and all will not be displayed normally when we are giving this ls. See here it is not displaying that. Here it is not displaying that. ls hyphen a, when we are using that, it is going to be display this hidden files and directories. And now if you see here ls hyphen d, ls-d is available only with Unix OS and which is not available in the Linux. So which is used for displaying only directories that is there with Unix OS, but we are using Linux OS, it is not available. The command is not available. ls-h. See here, these are the list of files. These are the list of files. And if you files and directories, ls-lh. See, generally ls hyphen l long list if I'm giving, it is going to be display 4096. And if you see here ls hyphen lh, it is going to be display 4.0k kilobytes. In terms of kilobytes, it is going to be display for us. In terms of kilobytes, it is going to be display for us. See, we know that memory is going to be measured in terms of bits, and 1 byte is equals to 8 bits, 1 kilobyte is equals to 1024 bytes, 1 MB is equals to 1024 kilobytes, 1 GB is equals to 1024 MB. So these units, we know that as per that, K it is going to be represents kilobytes. K it is going to be represents kilobytes. It is going to be represents based on the this particular one, bytes and kilobytes. ls hyphen l we have written ls hyphen a displays all files including hidden files and directories, including hidden files and directories. ls hyphen d ls hyphen d this command available only with Unix OS but not with Linux OS. Not available. It is not available now with the Linux OS. See, ls hyphen a innocence, it is not going to be ignored. Not ignore. Do not ignore entries. Either see entries innocence either files or directories that is starting with dot. That is starting with dot. That is starting with dot. See here LH ls hyphen LH, which is going to give the human readable format. So these are options we have with the ls command. Still, there are a few more options with the ls command that we will discuss in the coming session.